much traffic in Mumbai. Took forever. Hardly guys need the gas. I don't need the gas. I still have more than half a tank, so I will go another 200 and odd kilometers. Man, look at this view. It's incredible, yaar. Amazing. Amazing. This is how the rest of the country should be. Wide open valleys, nice roads, no traffic. I like this. Weather is good. Hey. Wow! This is incredible. It's all lush green because I think it's right after the rainy season. I'm sure that if I came on this road maybe a month or two later, this will all be brown. It wouldn't be as pretty, that's for sure. Oh yeah. Alright, photography done. It's time to leave. Humidity is very, very high. So, it's not that hot, but it makes you feel hot. And that is giving me a slight, very slight headache. It could also be because I am slightly dehydrated. Now another 1 hour of journey left, so whatever I need to do, I'm gonna do at the hotel. Off we go. Nothing, I'm talking to my camera, vlogging. Look at these mountains, yaar, amazing. Chandan, look at these mountains. Mountain dekh, Chandan. People who live in this town, they are so lucky, right? They get to see this view every day. So lucky. I don't know if they even realize this. Oh well, outskirts of Nashik, and there is some pond or a lake. Nice weather, very nice weather. Cooler breeze now. Nothing, I'm just recording. You know, I had gone to, I think it was Malaysia. This is the same type of road scenery that you can see in Malaysia as well. Reminds me of Malaysia for some reason. Yeah, all right. This is Nashik, man. This is beautiful, yaar. Hey, this road is very nice here. Covered with trees. No sunshine. This is very pretty. This is nice. This is pretty. GoPro, stop recording.